Padma Mudra. It's a very happy mudra. Padma means lotus. And we are going to create a lotus bud using our palms. Just cupping the palms a little and joining them together to form the bud of the lotus flower. It's a beautiful bud in the middle of a lake. Now, why a lotus flower? Well, the lotus represents two opposite elements in our life. The happiness and beauty of the flower, and also the ugliness of the mud inside and the grounding with that mud and water. So the lotus brings about a contrast of two elements put together. So this lotus bud, as we focus on it in front of our chest, we just let it bloom, opening up all our fingers. Feel the nice lotus flower. The bud represents the potential within each of us. Opening up of this lotus flower, representing opening up, unfolding the potential that each of us holds, infinite possibilities. Once again, we close the bud of the lotus flower, have the buds there. And now we just turn to the back of our palms, creating a lotus stem. The lotus stem within, grounding us, keeping us grounded, firm, stable on earth. Again, we form the lotus bud, eyes closed, feeling all the potential within us, enveloped there. Padma Mudra. Allow the lotus flower to bloom beautifully. A gentle smile on your face. The lotus representing the happiness and joy within. Gently close the lotus bud. Simply accepting everything that the universe offers us as gifts. Turn your palms out from the stem of the lotus flower, fingers pointing down, the eyes closed, grounding yourself, staying stable within, steady emotions. Once again, the lotus bud forming with our palms.